Okay, may I have your attention before we begin the official seniors? Let's talk about one of our last seniors enrolled in Kapolei High School in 2019 as a junior. That year she was named to the OIA first team as a setter. The following 2020 season was canceled due to COVID. She lost her senior year as well as her senior night. Tonight, we would like to give her an opportunity to celebrate that senior night. We would like to introduce to all of you from the girls varsity team of 2020, Alexis Kapolei. The daughter of Kapolei and Gavin Kapolei. Kapolei went on to play volleyball at Jessup University and just graduated this past spring with a degree in kinesiology. She is currently the varsity girls' assistant volleyball coach. Setting for her will be our current setter. Passing for her will be Kapolei's teammate from 2020, who also lost her senior season and senior night, Kapolei Moranis. Please give a warm round of applause for Kapolei Moranis, our second senior from the 2020 Kapolei girls volleyball team. Okay, now to our current seniors. Our first senior, Taimane Amisone. Her parents are Jessica and Julius Amisone. First of all, she wants to thank God for giving her the opportunity to move and to play this sport that has brought so much life lessons and growth into her life. She wants to thank her parents for always being there to support her and even being hard on me. To her brothers, she's so grateful for you being the only girl, forced me to be competitive and strong, and has shaped me into the athlete and person I am today. I want to also thank every coach along the way, and finally to my teammates. Thank you for being my sisters on and off the court. You've given me lifelong friendships, memories I'll never forget, and a bond that will always be a part of me. I love you all. Favorite volleyball memory. When we played Kapolei last year and beat them when we was in Japan. Advice to underclassmen: a sport doesn't define who you are. It's something you do, but it's not your whole identity. Our next senior, Sila Duo Pepe. Her parents are Marcelina and Pennsylvania Duo Pepe. Today she's humble and grateful for the journey She thanks her family for their unwavering support and love throughout her high school years. To her friends, she's grateful for their loyalty and kindness, and she wants to thank God for His blessings and guidance. To everyone who helped me in her darkest moments, she thanks them for their kindness and empathy. Thank you again, family, friends, God, for being my pillars of strength and source of joy. Her favorite volleyball memory, freshman year bus ride, going home from away games after a dub. Advice to underclassmen, trust God's plan, lean on faith, and put family first. Hashtag T-Squad. Our next senior, Ivy Thompson. Her parents, Barbara and Kitty Bardo, she'd like to acknowledge her mom, who made sure she made it to every game. She always was the first to congratulate her and the first to give her a hug. She'd also want to acknowledge her dad, who will be the only person you can hear in a packed gym. She loves you very much. Favorite volleyball memory was during our first season game where everyone was screaming and we were all one team. Advice to underclassmen, drink liquid IV in the morning. Stretch on your own time because you'll be running and it will hurt. Enjoy the time you have because it will come to an end way too fast. Ivy Thompson. Our next senior, Kaylee Lacamiento. Her parents are Sean and Cheryl Lacamiento. She wants to thank her parents for being her #1 supporter in everything and pushing her to be the best she could be, and her sister for being her rock, and lastly her friends and family for always supporting her. Favorite volleyball memory, cheering with Maka and White varsity her freshman year. Advice to underclassmen, have fun and make memories. You only play high school ball once. That'll work on the setting back. Our next senior, Gabby Rivera. Parents Molly and Patrick Rivera. She wants to thank her mom and dad for being her biggest supporters, cheering her on at every game and always believing in her. You've given me everything I needed to succeed. I am so grateful for all your sacrifices and love. Also, thanks to her siblings for helping her to prepare even when she didn't want to. Thank you to her family and friends for coming out and supporting her tonight. Her favorite memory is all the bus rides, the laughing, and making memories. Her advice to underclassmen, don't take a single game or practice for granted. Gabby Rivera. Our next senior, okay, I'm gonna try my best, but the next senior wrote in like 4-point font, so I'll try my best here. Our next senior, Asa Lee Park. First, she'd like to thank her mom, dad, brother, and grandma. You four have done so much for her, and she is more than fortunate to be related to such smart, hardworking, and hilarious people. Thank you to Coach Kapolei and Kavika for teaching me so much during my first 2 years of volleyball. Lastly, I would like to give a special thanks to Coach Carl, who took me in when I had absolutely no skill. I will forever be grateful for all your time and energy. Love you all. Favorite volleyball memory? Making the JV team as a freshman. Never touched the volleyball before, and I sucked so bad that I really thought I was going to get cut. But I found out I made the team. I was so happy. Advice to underclassmen: always be yourself. Life is too short to worry about what others think of you. Nothing good in life is free, so don't be discouraged while working towards big goals. Asa Lee Parks. Our next senior, Laylin Rosa. Laylin and Rosa are her parents. She'd like to thank her family for supporting her, coming to all of her games. Thanks for letting me continue volleyball, even though it's super expensive and I don't come home with the best attitude. Second, thank you to my coaches, teachers, and friends for seeing the best in me and for always sharing laughs and wisdom. Lastly, thank you to my teammates for being with me my last season. Favorite volleyball memory would be back during her Cap City club season 2 years ago, when every car ride 3 times a week would be filled with laughter and friends. Advice to underclassmen: take advantage of the opportunities you have in high school before the world gets too serious. Don't be a people pleaser and do things for yourself. Our next senior, Casey Miyahira. Our parents are Carrie and Michael Miyahira. She wants to acknowledge and thank her parents for everything they've done for her. Waking up at 4 a.m. on Mondays, driving her to all of her clinics, and paying those ridiculous club fees. I love you guys so much. My #1 supporters. I want to thank my coaches for teaching me so much, and I want to thank my teammates for being there. I thank God because none of this would be possible without Him. Favorite volleyball memory? Her favorite memory would be last year's Kahuku TV game. I had just gotten a block coverage in my face, and I think everyone was laughing. After we won the point, I went to serve, but I ended up getting an ace while still laughing. Advice to the classmen: keep pursuing your goals and putting in the work. Your biggest struggle will be with yourself. Our next senior, Kapolei Kopa. Parents Kim and James, she wants to thank her Lord and Savior, God, all glory to Him. She wants to thank her parents and siblings for always being there and supporting, pushing, and humbling her. She wants to thank her friends for supporting her and standing by her side and blessing her all the way. Last person I want to mention is her uncle, Brandon. I love you and miss you. I love all of you guys. Thank you for everything. Favorite volleyball memory is when me and my cousin played on the same team and we were on the bench and something happened. We got the point and me and her jumped and my arm went into her teeth and her teeth started bleeding and my arm and we couldn't stop laughing. Advice to underclassmen: follow God and trust His plan. Our last senior, Presley Gibson. Parents are Brent and Veronica Gibson. She'd like to thank her family. I want to thank my dad for making me try volleyball. I also want to thank Coach Carl, Coach Monu, Coach Fred, and Coach Gams for taking me on the team. Her favorite memory is getting food before games. Advice to underclassmen: no matter what people say, believe in yourself. How about a round of applause for all of our senior girls? Again, your seniors, Kapolei now 8-1, and this Thursday, October 2nd, 7:00 p.m. is going to be on OC16 at Mililani. Be there. Thank you all for coming. Have a great night. We have a lost phone here. It is an iPhone with a beige-ish type of case come up if you have lost your phone. Again, thank you. Drive safely. Have a pleasant evening and good night.